Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change out a 2005 Toyota Camry cabin air filter. So what we're going to do is go to the glove box. We're going to open that up. You're going to see this little screw down here. Then you're going to just take Phillips and take that out. It's a good idea to pull everything out of here before you do this. You're also going to want to take that off. And over here on this side, you also want to squeeze down to move this out of the way. And the same thing over here. So that gives you access up to here. This is where we're going to actually pull out the cabin air filter. So we just squeezed each side of here, left and right, and then you just pull that out. You can see how much debris is in there. So you can see there's a whole bunch of debris on this. Here's your new one. You're going to want to arrange this in the same way that this is. So the way to get this out is you just kind of pull it on the side and it takes it out of the holder. Generally speaking, it'll show you airflow with the arrow going in the direction of airflow. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this in here. So we want that to be nice and snug. Shouldn't have any gaps around anywhere. And then we're going to reinstall this cabin air filter. So if you can see back here, we're just going to go into this hole so it's snapped in. Now it's time to replace the glove box. So what you have are a bunch of hooks. They're going to snap onto here. So you just line those up, put those back in place. Now there's a tab on this side and a tab on the other side that we'll have to snap in. So that holds that in place. And now we just need to reattach this here. And then we need to screw that back in. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a like, and that's how you install a cabin air filter. All right, thanks, bye.